Hello. Welcome to my new tutorial. Have you ever experienced that when you open a video message on Viber, the video starts playing immediately? Automatic video playback can be useful, but it can also be inconvenient, especially if you want more control over watching video content. In this detailed guide, we will learn how to disable automatic video playback on Viber, giving you full control over your app experience. Whether you want to avoid unexpected sound playback or simply want more control over watching videos, follow the steps below to easily change these settings. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Viber application. After that, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, find the Media option and tap on it. All you need to do now is to tap on the Autoplay Videos option to uncheck it. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.